So in this video, we'll look at the quotient rule, and it is applied whenever you see the function f is actually a quotient of two functions of x as a fraction, or you can say it's as a quotient. And let's look at the current problem in purple color. To apply this formula to get the f prime, what we need to do is to write down the denominator as v squared. So I just take the square of the denominator. And for the numerator, we have to be slightly careful. The first term is v, which is the denominator. So I just copy it there. The second term is actually the derivative of the top. So the derivative of 4x plus 3 is actually just 4, right? And minus, and I can copy the u, which is the numerator 4x plus 3 times v prime, and v prime is actually the derivative of 3x minus 1, which is 3, I think. So if you're slightly confused, I'm just writing it down as this way. So anyway, this is basically the answer to the derivative in this case. If you want to slightly simplify that, of course, we can try to expand the numerator a little bit. It's going to be 12x minus 4 minus open bracket 12x plus 9, right? Close bracket. And of course, the denominator does not change. And you see, the 12x is actually cancelled. So the top becomes minus 4 minus 9, and which is minus 13, divided by open bracket 3x minus 1 close bracket square. And that's the answer to the derivative of f. And let's look at the next problem. So please look at the current function f, which is a quotient of two functions. You can view it as u over v, and the quotient rule states that we have to respect this quotient rule whenever f is a quotient of two functions u over v. And let's do it together. The denominator is going to be 4 cosine x minus 1 close bracket square, and the top term I just copy it from the denominator. And for the second term in the numerator is u prime, which is the derivative of the numerator, which is minus 14x plus 10, right? And then minus, and u I just copy it from the top. And then the next term is just v prime. For the v prime, it is the derivative of the bottom, right? So it's going to be 4 times minus sine x, like this. And that's basically the derivative of the function f. So you can apply this formula whenever you see a quotient